Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. This has been a grail of mine for many years. CKF released this back in 2019. I think I have a video on this. I honestly forgot to check before I started this video, but I thought, oh yeah, I want that. And then I didn't get it, and then it disappeared from the face of the earth. I actually found this on Blade Binge actually during an episode here recently, and I did go ahead and buy it. Now, I had to pay a lot more than what it cost in 2019, but in 2026, I'm not sure how far off what I paid would be like if they brought this back, which, by the way, they absolutely should. I'll show you guys what this is here in a second, but this is a knife that is long gone. It's not something you can buy unless you find it on the secondary market, and this was one of the only times I had ever seen it on the secondary market since 2019, so very excited. Thank you so much to the gentleman who sold it to me. I have no idea if he watches the channel, but if you're watching, thank you so much. I'm very excited about it. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. Make sure your notifications are turned on for the Metal Complex YouTube channel. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh boy, it's a big one. Here we go. Awesome. So this is the Phillippe Jourget and Custom Knife Factory Phillippe 23. I have a Phillippe 20, which I originally thought, no, I'm not going to buy that. It's going to be too small. And then I found out this is almost an 8-inch knife, and I ended up going ahead and buying this one, which I love. I think it's a little odd that we have the bronze and the Timascus up here. They made a few different variations of this, but I thought, okay, it's cool. You know, this will kind of hold me over. I won't need to buy the big one. I'll just forget about it. And here we are years later, and I still want it. So birthday, this would have been July of 2019, and this is, what does it say? Oh, serial number 56. Okay, let's open this bad boy up and see what we've got. Oh my, look at that. How gorgeous. So we have shred carbon fiber, and you know what? Did you include, I thought there were other scales, but it doesn't actually look like there's any additional scales in here. So maybe that, I might have to message that guy. Oh, no. I'm wrong. Here they are. So I actually don't, you guys are going to have to tell me. From what I remember, it came with these scales. I've never seen these before, but I don't know if these scales are factory, if they're aftermarket or what. I mean, they look gorgeous, but look what we have here. We have a gray titanium frame. We have, in this case, shred carbon fiber, or the standard carbon fiber. Honestly, I think this looks better. We have this absolutely gorgeous titanium bolster here. Then we also, not titanium, zirconium bolster. We also have a polished zirconium backspacer, and then we have, I don't know if that's silver or bronze. I'm not really sure. It actually kind of, yeah, because like here's the bronze on the right. So this is my, maybe it's more of a champagne. Let's go ahead and deploy this guy. Oh, man. Oh, what a good looking knife. Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm so excited. So this came perfect. Absolutely perfect. Just as described by the gentleman who created the listing, which is need to, I think that just needs to be wiped off right here. I know people are going to focus on that, so I'll just go ahead and wipe it away there. It's, the zirconium is going to be a fingerprint magnet. I'm just trying to keep it clean for the video. But what an exceptionally good looking knife. And it is, this is bigger, wider, thicker than the original by a substantial amount. You can see here how much larger this is. In my opinion, this is one of the nicest knives. God, that action. It's one of the nicest knives that CKF has ever created. I desperately want them to, I cannot believe how good of a front flipper that is. I don't even like front flippers. And this is the only way that you can deploy this knife. This might be the most satisfying front flipper I've ever experienced. I desperately want CKF and Phillippe Jourget to do another run of these Phillippe 23s. And I also would love it if they applied what CKF has been doing here recently, which is a mirror DLC. I cannot fathom the epicness of a mirror DLC version of this with, maybe carbon fiber and zirconium, perhaps zircotite, zircotite bolster with carbon fiber, or perhaps the entire thing zircotite. I can tell you right now, if they made one of these where the body was entirely zircotite or carbon fiber with a zircotite bolster and a mirror DLC, I would pay pretty much whatever they asked for it. It might not be worth what they asked for it. In fact, to be honest with you, pretty much every CKF I have ever purchased, whether it's on the secondary market or it's brand new, pretty much every single one is overpriced by, it seems like, $100 to $200. And that's the reality of it. As a reviewer, I feel obligated to tell you guys that, is that I don't think that they're pricing them fairly. The problem is that I am just as much an itchy collector as many of the people who watch my channel, and I am subject to the exact same types of human, not deficiencies, human weaknesses, right? I mean, like, I'll look at something and say, that's way too much for that, I'll take it. And we've all experienced that. This is exactly what occurred with this knife here, this Phillippe 23. This is a long time coming. This is a part of my collection that I cannot believe I left blank for so long, or a void for so long. But the reality of it is that, I never really had another opportunity. This was one of the versions that I wanted. I think there was another one that was a little bit fancier, and I thought, I'd buy that if that one pops up. I've never seen that one. But this was the other one. I thought, whichever one pops up first, that's the one that I'm going to pick up. So incredible, very gorgeous. What's cool is these are titanium titanium liner locks, but they still have lock bar inserts, which I just love. Very, very cool. Love the subtle polishing there on that little pivot. This is a T10, by the way. Anyways, very cool. Very, very happy to have this as part of my collection. Thank you again to the gentleman who sold this to me. I will cherish this and never, ever get rid of it. I actually don't know how many of these they originally created. I'm going to go back and check and see if I have a video on this, and if I do, I'll leave it at that. If I don't, then I will do another video with this knife here and just kind of cover it. But this needs to be brought back. I will probably continue to mention this and joke about it. And the reality of it is that it may be that they plan to do another Phillippe 23. It may be that this is already in the works. But this how long has it been? It's 2019. It's been 7 years. 7 years is far too long to go without doing another one of these. The most recent collaboration with Phillippe Jourget was the little tiny guy. Great, we did it. Bring back the big one. Do some fancy, crazy stuff with the big one. That would be wildly popular, and I would sign up for a pre-order that took a year to get my hands on another one, right? Anyways, I think that's going to be it today, guys. Very excited. Can't wait to put this guy in the... I know it's people are like, you're just excited to put it in a case. Yes, I am excited to put it in my my collector's case with the other special boys. It's going to go in the special boy case. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.